How does that even work?
I hear there's some kind of a leader. He's called Deucalion.
A pack of alphas, all of them killers. The Alpha Titans. Ethan and Aiden. Two of them combined bodies to form one giant alpha.
Know me? You've never seen anything like me. I am the Alpha of Alphas. I am the apex of apex predators. I am Death, destroyer of worlds. I am